So for this episode, we're going to install grid control. Up till now, what we've done is two things. One, we installed the WebLogic server, and the second thing I did was I created a database called Grid, which will be our grid control repository. The thing that I did for Grid was I configured a database right outside of the box. I didn't make any changes to the init.aura, so it should fail for some certain parameters like processes and session cast cursors, and we're going to see that in just a minute. So let's go ahead and try to do the installation. Oh, I missed my mistakes. Let's try this. See, at this point, it fails because of the session cast cursors and the processes. So we're going to go back and say okay and cancel, and we're going to go back and deal with our database. So let's go ahead and do that. Now let's go ahead and SQL Plus SSDA show parameter session cache cursors. And let's go ahead and change that to 201. Alter system set. It's 201. Scope is ESP file. And now let's bounce the database. At least one of those parameters, if not both of them, cannot be changed dynamically. So this is what we have to bounce the database. Now let's go back to, actually what I'm going to do is log out and log back in just real fast here. This will clear out my, my environment variables. So we got past that because the parameters are set sufficiently. Now this part might take a while, so I'll probably fast forward through this portion of it. Okay, so now we need to run a root.sh command, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, say okay. And this takes a little while to run too, so we're going to probably fast forward through this as well. Okay, finally the installation finished, and we can always go to this particular directory and find out this information. This file is right here, and the URL is right here. So here's a few OMS commands that we need to know with respect to finding out what the URL is. One thing that we need to know is if we go to, let's, first of all, let me set my OMS home. You can always go $oracle home /install, and then cat setup info.text. This will always have the URL that we need to get to, and also you can always do $oracle home /bin/emctl status of oms-all, and in there, -details, in which case it will prompt us for the password. And here it will tell us what the port number is, and we always say /em. So with that, also let's go ahead and do $oracle. I want to show you what the ORA inventory looks like. Let's check some other parameters too, some other files also. So we go here, etc, ORA. This hasn't changed at all. The ORA inst certainly hasn't changed at all. The ORA inventory is still where it is. If we cat the ORA tab, however, we're going to have a new one or two more lines added, one for the local agent and one for the OMS home, so we know where the OMS is. If we went to /user1 app and cat cd ORA inventory and cd contents.xml, and then let's do more of inventory XML, we can see that there is an Oracle home, an OMS home, an agent home, and things related to the OMS home. If we do the run opatch from the OMS home, though, we only see the OMS stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. So when I run the opatch ls inventory from the OMS home, I see grid control is installed. If I switch to the DB home and run the OMS home, I don't see it. I see the database information. So the ORA inventory is common, but when I run it from the grid home, it's only going to show me the grid information. When I run opatch from the Oracle home, it's only going to show me the Oracle information. So with that said, let's go back to set the OMS home back. OMS home back, and then let's install, and then cat setup.txt or setupinfo.txt, and then let's go ahead and look at the URL. And lo and behold, grid control is up and running. And that's it for this particular episode.